So hi friends and students. So we'll start today JEE Mains 2020 7th January shift 2 problems. Right. So here is the problem from the ellipse. Right. Now what is the question is here? The question is 3x plus 4y which is equals to 12 root 2 is a tangent to the ellipse. What is the ellipse given is x square by a square plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. So here I'll show you how to solve this problem in two methods, right? So first one is this line 3x plus 4y is equals to 12 root 2 is a tangent to this ellipse. We have to find out the distance between foci. Now first of all, what is the distance between foci? The distance between foci is 2ae, right? The distance between foci is 2ae. Now here we don't know the value of a as well as we don't know the value of e. So the main important thing in this is you have to find out the first value of a, then easily you can find out the e, from which you can find out the distance between foci, right? So first we concentrate on how to find out the value of a. So first of all I use the basic formula. Condition for a line to be tangent to the ellipse is what? C square is equals to a square m square plus b square. C square is equals to a square m square plus b square. This is a condition for the line. What line? Y is equals to mx plus c. The line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 if c square is equals to a square m square plus b square. Now here y is equal to mx plus c. From this you have to write first y is equals to mx plus c form. So what is that? 4y is equals to, what is that? Minus 3x plus 12 root 2. First you write. Then what is y value? Y is equals to minus 3 by 4 x mx plus c. 12 root 2 by 4. 4 3 is 12. So this is 3 root 2. So this is y is equals to m. This is m and this is mx plus c. Now substitute in c square is equals to a square m square plus b square. In this you have to substitute the value. Right. So what is c square? C square is 3 root 2 whole square, that is 18, which is equals to m square minus 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16 into this is m square, a square m square. What is the a square value? We don't know, that we have to find out, plus b square. What is the b square value here? X square by a square plus y square by b square value 9. Right. So 9 by 16, that is 9a square by 16, which is equals to 18 minus 9. So which implies a square is equals to 16, therefore a is equals to 4. Right. So after getting a is equals to 4, now the thing is we have to find out eccentricity. For that, what is the formula we have? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square for ellipse. For hyperbola, e square minus 1. Okay. So now b square is equals to a square, we got 4 square 16, and b square we have already 9, and here we have 1 minus e square, from which e square is equals to how much now? 1 minus 9 by 16. So from which 16 minus 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7 by 16. So implies e is equals to root 7 by 4. Now the distance between foci formula, what you have? Distance between foci is equals to 2ae. This is the formula to find distance between foci. So 2 into a4 into e is root 7 by 4. So therefore you got 2 root 7 units. You can see in the B option. Okay. So here we utilize the condition for tangent line. Y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square. What is the formula I use? Let me explain once again. I'll write that this y is equals to mx plus c line is a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 if what? If what? C square is equals to a square m square plus b square, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Okay. So the formula we used in this is important formula is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square, and one more formula you must know to solve this is b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. Now other than this, if you don't know this c square is equal to a square m square plus b square, you didn't remember this, what you can do? The given equation of the tangent line is 3x plus 4y is equals to 12 root 2. Now what you do? You divide with the 12 root 2 now. So what you get if you divide with the by 12 root 2, 3 4s are, so x by 4 root 2 after cancelling that 4. If you cancel, you get y by 4 the 3 root 2, which is equals to 1. I can write minus 1 is equals to 0. If you compare this tangent line with the equation of the tangent line in parametric form to the ellipse is what? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So we are discussing now the alternative method, right? The alternative method, x by a cos theta y plus y by b sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. If you compare this, what you are going to get is x coefficient is 1 by root 2. Here x coefficient is cos theta by a, which is equals to how much? 1 by 4 root 2. And here sin theta by b is equals to how much we got here? 1 by 3 root 2, right? Now b value is how much? B square is 9 here. B square is 9 means b value is 3. So you can cancel 3. So you get sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2, means theta is equal to 45 degrees. That theta 45 degrees you can substitute here. So implies 1 by a root 2, 1 by root 2 cos 45 is equals to 1 by 4 root 2. Now if you cancel root 2, you will get what? A is equals to 4. So the same thing what you got here using the c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. A is equals to 4. So here also I got a is equals to 4. Now from now onwards, this is rest of the problem will be same again. Only finding the value of a you can do in alternative way. And after getting that a value, again we will substitute this formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square, and we substitute this a value to get the e value, right? After getting e value, the same thing you have to do. Only the difference in these two methods is finding the a value. I use the parametric form, right, of equation of a tangent line to the ellipse, right? In fact, in G-main point of view, the tangent line based problems are most important. Okay, condition for tangency or common tangent, right? Such type of problems are very important.